Hi, it's Marlis from AnyIdea, and today's topic is ideation and open innovation and how these use cases are implemented within AnyIdea. Ideas come from many different sources. They form the bridge between future trends, opportunities, today's challenges, leading to real innovation. Ideas can emerge from identified trends, business opportunities, problems, or clear goals that require new solutions, whether of a technical or market-oriented nature. In the Ideation module, it's easy to launch idea campaigns and challenges. Employees, stakeholders, customers, or partners can be invited to participate. They can submit, discuss, and further develop ideas together, fostering true open innovation. This is supported by the platform's AI. It helps generating fresh impulses, completing draft ideas, and helps structure thoughts so that initial inputs quickly become concrete ideas. Ideas can also be collected in continuous improvement, so idea campaigns remain permanently open. This ensures suggestions for improvements that can be submitted at any time. The result are the most relevant ideas and solutions for trends, business challenges, and opportunities that shape the future of the company. It is also possible to submit pitches or proof of concepts directly as ideas, for example, when collaborating with startups. In this case, an idea is worked out in detail for a specific problem and then taken forward with the partner. Beyond collecting ideas, managing them is just as important. This happens in the idea portfolio. Here, evaluation criteria can be defined, ideas are intelligently classified and organized according to relevance, feasibility, or strategic fit. Imported ideas can also be validated for market potential, customer needs, target groups, and feasibility. So, let's dive directly into the platform. Here in the platform, all campaigns are collected under ideation. Each campaign bundles ideas around a specific topic or challenge. For example, several campaigns are here displayed, including also a demo campaign with prepared use cases for easier onboarding. New campaigns can be created anytime by using the button Create Campaign. Ideas can be also generated directly from AnyIdea Foresight. For example, from trends, opportunities, or signals. You found a relevant signal, opportunity, or trend. Just with one click, corresponding ideas are generated. A campaign for them is then automatically created. Now let's dive in deeper here. Using the Generate Ideas button, the trend description is taken over but can be adapted to a specific context. For example, as a grocery retailer in an urban area, we are looking for ideas related to this trend. When adapted the input prompt, the purpose of the ideas can be defined. For example, are those ideas for digital transformation, creative solutions, or new business models? The generated ideas are automatically displayed in a campaign. Each idea can be viewed in detail, commented on, completed, and evaluated. Additionally, own ideas can be submitted at any time, whether they originate from trends or are created directly in a campaign. For broader questions and goals, like for an innovation challenge or a CIP process, open campaigns can be created. Enter here a title, the duration of the campaign, and of course the goals of the campaign. It can be also specified whether ideas are visible to others, if AI should support the completion process, and in which structure the ideas should be submitted. Here I will show you an example campaign, the Future Quest for Retail. Here I defined the topic, the goals, and the timeline. And as a starting point for the campaign, I first generated ideas with the help of AI. Using Generate Ideas, concrete questions can be asked here. For example, how can we inspire young people to shop offline again? AI provides creative impulses, and these ideas then can be commented on, developed further, evaluated, and prioritized. the next step is to invite users into the campaign. In the user menu, you can add colleagues or even external partners with clearly defined roles like idea contributor, evaluator, or campaign manager. The users have to be first added into the general user management and then specifically invited to campaigns. Depending on their role, they only see campaigns they are part of. Invited users can actively participate through comments, likes, and evaluations. Automated email notifications ensure everyone is informed, whether at the start of an idea submission, for comments, or if the evaluation phase starts. This creates a transparent, collaborative process, collecting, evaluating, and prioritizing ideas together as a team. Once all ideas have been submitted, the next step is the evaluation. The evaluation criteria can be defined individually, both account-wide and additionally per campaign. Here in the innovation settings, the evaluation criteria and classifications are defined and apply across all campaigns. We suggest that these are aligned to the company's language. For example, some might prefer incremental, while others prefer quick wins. On campaign level, you can additionally customize your evaluation criteria for your individual campaign. Once the criteria are set, ideas can be evaluated by campaign members and evaluators. The idea evaluation results are then displayed in the idea portfolio. Here, the goal is to identify and visualize the most important ideas and if they are incremental or radical. With the most important ideas, you can then move on to the idea validation to check market opportunities, customer benefits, competition, and the feasibility of the idea. You can easily validate your idea by just clicking on the button Idea Validation. Finally, when you chose your most important ideas, you transfer them into a project. With just a few clicks, selected ideas can be turned into concrete implementation projects, moving directly into the realization phase. To sum up, the ideation module covers the entire process, from inspiration through trends to the generation and evolution of ideas in teams and finally to implementation. The result is a systematic, collaborative and AI-powered pathway from future signals to innovation success.